An episode of an airstrike using US-supplied Jdam bombs on the location of Russian personnel in the village of Dnipro-Rudne, Zaporizhzhia region. See how deadly and precise these bombs are, compared to also deadly but inaccurate Russian KAB-3000. Russian troops complain on social networks about the lack of everything and a severe shortage of manpower. Even those who have not been treated in hospital after being wounded are sent to the meat assaults. People with unextracted shrapnel and unhealed wounds are sent back to the front and immediately to the assaults. According to the stories of Russian soldiers in the Kharkiv direction, Ukraine has a superior advantage in drones in this direction. According to Russian soldiers in Vovchansk, Ukraine uses tactics when it allows a group of troops to enter the city, occupy several streets, after which it cuts off the retreat path with drones and artillery and destroys the detachment one by one. Ukrainian aviation has also become more active. Attacks on Russian air defense systems and military airfields have opened up more opportunities for the Ukrainian Air Force. The development of drone technology is developing very quickly. For example, the other day, an FPV drone destroyed a Russian loitering munition Lancet. This may seem like insignificant news, but we are talking about a Ukrainian state development and mass production of these FPVs is being established. Previously, it was hard to shoot down targets at such an altitude and speed. In addition, the cost of the Lancet is about $35,000. And FPV is only a few hundred. Lancets caused a lot of problems for the Ukrainians and were recognized as a successful Russian development. The shot-down Lancet was about to destroy a ground target and was destroyed at that moment, which saved the equipment and people on the ground. At the moment of diving, its speed can reach 300 kilometers per hour, and it is very difficult to hit. Also, the Ukrainians presented their analog of the Lancet, Bulava, at the Eurosatory 2024 International Exhibition in Paris. It is noteworthy that it uses AI for targeting and vulnerable spots in enemy armored vehicles are programmed into it. It is also already being mass-produced. Ukraine has changed the tactics of warfare forever. Faced with a superior enemy, their courage and resourcefulness will emerge victorious. Russia wanted to destroy Ukraine. It caused a lot of grief. The lives of the victims of this invasion will never be returned. But after 2.5 years, the question of the existence of Russia itself is now at stake. I've spoken with a friend fighting in Hlybok, Kharkiv today. He says that Russians lose around 40 infantrymen daily in Hlybok alone. But behind every eliminated Russia, there is a hard work of Ukrainian infantry, drone operator and artillery. He shared this video to show what Russians are going to feel tomorrow. Fighter Bomber also says Ukraine is using UAVs with its naval drones, which creates problems because Russia counters naval drones with helicopters and increases the risk of friendly fire from Russian air defenses. He says Ukraine also launches rockets, missiles, when Russian attack aviation is operating in order to increase the chances of a friendly fire shoot down. Russian terrorists have struck Kharkiv with guided aerial bombs again. Unfortunately, a residential building was hit. The debris is being cleared. All necessary services are on the scene. As of now, there are 19 wounded and 3 dead. My condolences to everyone who lost their loved ones. This Russian terror with guided aerial bombs must and can be stopped. Bold decisions from our partners are needed so that we can destroy Russian terrorists and Russian combat aircraft where they are. We have already proved that it is possible to protect people's lives from missile terror, particularly by clearing the border areas of terrorist launchers. Protection against bombs is required as well. We need this determination. I thank everyone who helps Ukraine protect lives.
Пошли нахуй. Мешает отдыхать.
This is how the town of Chasiv Yar, Bakhmut district, Donetsk region looks like today. Russians are trying to break through to the Siversky-Donetsk-Donbass Canal. Fierce fighting is ongoing. The occupiers are shelling the city with all possible types of weapons, including heavy flamethrower systems, Sontsepyak. Video of the 24th Brigade.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.